recording.
It's right here. That's your punishment for today.
Guys, we're almost done.
Stop fucking acting like fuck.
Yusuf, can you please go sweep up the trailer? Yeah.
22nd, ladies, you get some makeovers, win a bunch of prizes, and check out the new roller.
What up? Yeah, boys. That's what we talking about. Barney in the hit now.
Oh shit! Oh shit, dog! Oh shit!
Clean up shit. You know what I'm saying? More cash, fuck you eat, bitch. Wanna wrestle again? I wanna rematch with your pussy ass. You understand?
That goes out to Mo
Cash
Cash.
thinks it's all big.
That goes out to Mo Cash. We got Thirsty up in the crib, dog. Say what's up, dog.
What up, G?
We got Sim, motherfucking Mish out here. Oh shit, it's him. Check this shit out. It's called Revenge.
I know. Okay, alright.
Oh my god, that was so funny. Oh my god. Hold on. We got more coming. Oh shit, that was so funny. Oh my god, look how much smoke is in there. Oh my god, I love you. That was so funny. Oh my god.
Shit. Bro, that was fucking crazy. I had no idea. Okie dokie.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, that was fucking crazy.
That was Barney getting his ass popped.